Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things money and finance. In today's digital age, making money online has never been easier. And what's better than making money while you sleep? That's right, passive income streams. So, in this video, we're going to discuss 7 ways to create passive income streams online. And we will be doing a step-by-step guide on all these ways to make money in future videos, so stay tuned for that. First up, we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. All you need to do is find a product or service that you believe in, promote it on your website or social media platforms, and earn a commission for each sale made through your link. Next, we have digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and printables on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Once you create your digital product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional work. Third, we have online courses. Online courses are a great way to earn passive income. You can create a course on a topic you're knowledgeable about and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. Fourth, we have YouTube. Yes, you heard that right. YouTube can be a great way to earn passive income. By creating engaging content that people want to watch, you can earn money through ads and sponsorships. Fifth, we have dropshipping. Dropshipping is a process where you create an online store and sell products without having to hold any inventory. Once a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Sixth, we have print on demand. Print on demand is a process where you create designs for products such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them on platforms like Redbubble or Society6. Once a customer makes a purchase, the product is printed and shipped directly to them. And last but not least, we have investing in digital assets. You can invest in digital assets like cryptocurrencies, domain names, or websites and earn passive income through appreciation or dividends. In conclusion, creating passive income streams online can be a great way to earn extra money without having to actively work for it. So, choose a method that suits your skills and interests and start earning passive income today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money and finance related content. Thanks for watching.